mamili dahil hanggang ngayon ako pa rin ang gusto ko.
Wow, really?
Eh bakit nga? Sabihin mo sa akin bakit hindi mo nagustuhan. I deserve an explanation.
Ano? Ano sinabi mo?
And when I hold you in my arms, I promise you're gonna feel a love that's beautiful and new. This time I love you even better than I ever did before, and you'll be in my heart forevermore. We were just too young to know revenge and love and let go. So easy to say the words goodbye, so hard to let the feelings die. I know how much I need you now. The time is turning back somehow. As soon as our hearts and souls unite, I know for sure we'll get the feeling right. And now we're starting over again. It's not the easiest thing to do. I'm feeling inside again, 'cause every time I look at you, I know we're starting over again. This time we'll love all the pain away. Welcome home, my lover and friend. We are starting over again. Here's another movie.
Ba't hindi kayo nagsalita? Ba't hindi ka nagalit?
Because I know my husband. I'm his wife. But of course, I had to go through all that pain silently. That's the hardest thing, you know. And in my silence, I quietly asked myself, ano bang pagkukulang ko?
You don't own me. I'm not just one of your many toys. You don't own me. Don't say I can't go with other boys. And don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to say. Please, when I go out with you, don't put me on display. Oh, you don't own me. You don't own me.
Thank you po, maraming salamat. Sabi ko nga, kung may mga pelikula, may mga teleserye din akong ginawang theme songs, katulad nito.
Bakit, hindi mo na ba ako mahal?
Marami na akong minahal. At nakapiling. Pero iisa pa lamang ang minahal ko ng ganito. At ikaw yun, Rafael. Ikaw lang.
Dinami-dami ng aking minahal, panandalian lamang at ilan ang nagtagal. sa dinamit-damit ng aking nakapiling. Kung sino-sino ang umibig sa akin, iisa pa lamang ang inaasam-asam. Ang nakalipas, hindi maaaring balikan. Kahit ibang na ang minamahal mo, kung sino man ang siyang may-ari ng iyong puso, ang bawat pangalan, kalaro, kaibigan, iisa pa lamang ang minahal ko ng ganito.
Diyos ko, tulungan niyo po pa. Mahina pa ang anak. Baka hindi niya kayanin to. Bigyan niyo po siya ng lakas. Nagmamakawa ko, Diyos. Nagpupulit sa akin ang anak ko. Pinapangako ko, kung iniligtas niyo siya sa panganib, magiging mabuti akong ina. Gagawin ko ang lahat para sa kanya.
Sa bawat pag-ikot ng ating buhay, may oras kailangan na maghiwalay. Puso'y lumaban man, walang magagawa. Saan ka? Kailan ka muling mahahagan? Magkulang man sa atin itong sandali, alam ko na tayo'y magkikita muli. Hanggat may umaga pa na ikaw lang ang ikaw lang ang